Good morning, distinguished college ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dewangakan Gede Wahyu Mahatmaputra from the Faculty of Public Health, University of Jember, Indonesia. Today, I am honored to present our study titled Assessing Digital Maturity in Public and Private Hospital, a comparative study from Jember, Indonesia. Digital transformation in healthcare is no longer optional. It is essential to improve service quality, optimize data management, and enhance patient outcomes. Interoperable systems enable personalized care and ensure continuity across health providers. In Indonesia, this movement has been strongly supported by the Ministry of Health, especially through regulation such as Permenkes number 24 in 2022, which emphasizes the integration of hospital information system and electronic medical records. However, despite these policies, disparities remain. Private hospitals often benefit from stronger investment capacity and faster adoption, while public hospitals are challenged in bureaucratic complexity and resource limitation. Unfortunately, district-level comparative studies are still rare, leaving us limited understanding of how digital maturity evolves across ownership types. Our study, therefore, aimed to assess and compare the digital maturity of public and private hospital in Jember Regency, East Java. We use the Indonesian Ministry of Health Digital Maturity Assessment Tool version 1.1, which evaluates 7 domains. The first domain is information system and infrastructure. The second one is standard and interoperability. The third domain is governance and management. The fourth domain is data analytics. The fifth domain is human resource and utilization. The sixth domain, information security and privacy. And the last domain is electronic medical records and patient-centered care. What makes this study novel is that we provide a multi-level domain-specific evaluation within the same district, offering detailed parameter score as well as domain level comparison. We conducted a descriptive cross-sectional study between June and July 2024 in 9 hospitals, 3 public hospitals, and 6 private hospitals. In each hospital, 6 key stakeholders participated: the head of IT staff, and 4 vice directors representing medical, nursing, allied health, and administrative services. Data collected, Data collection followed a structured process. Each stakeholder first scored 38 parameters individually, then engage in consensus discussion to reconcile differences. We also verified evidence such as IT strategic plans, EMR reports, and security audits. And the last one is policy document to ensure validity. At the most detailed level, we observe considerable variation. Public hospitals perform strongly in basic and advanced system architecture, hospital managerial system, and user engagement. Private hospitals, on the other hand, score higher in ICT service quality, internal interoperability, and patient satisfaction. Both sectors, however, struggled in advanced data analytic and external interoperability. Big data management, for example, remain at a very early stage across all hospitals. When aggregated into domains, public hospitals show higher maturity in governance, human resource, and infrastructure. Private hospital led in interoperability, ICT service quality, and data analytics. Both sectors achieve similar scores in electronic medical records, indicating that EMR adoption is now becoming a baseline standard regardless of ownerships. When comparing overall digital maturity scores, Public hospital average slightly higher in governance, human resources, and administrative infrastructure, while private hospital were ahead in interoperability, data analytics, and information security. The EMR and patient center care domain show almost identical performance. In other words, there was no single overall leader. Instead, each sector demonstrated complementary strength that, if combined, could create a stronger digital health ecosystem. This radar chart shows that public hospitals perform better in governance, human resources, and infrastructure, while private hospitals led in interoperability, data analytics, and data security. Both sectors achieve similar scores in electronic medical record, but share common weakness in external interoperability and big data analytics. Overall, each sector has complementary strengths that, if combined, could accelerate digital health transformation in Jember. Our finding in this study align with global literature. In Saudi Arabia and Turkey, private hospital often score higher due to greater investment capacity. In the UK, however, public hospital advance rapidly through the Global Digital Exemplar Program. Study in US and Germany link digital maturity directly to quality, safety, and patient satisfaction across hospital types. This finding tell us that the ownership is not sole determinant. Rather, context, policy, and governance play a critical role. From a policy perspective, Indonesia needs stronger regulation for interoperability, data security, and knowledge sharing. Long-term governance strategy must support sustainability and equity. For hospital management, the message is clear. The first one is build governance and workforce capacity. The second one is align digital transformation with organizational strategy. The third one is invest in digital literacy and staff upskilling. And the last one is ensure strong leadership to overcome resistance to change. The conclusion of this study is public hospital excel in governance, human resources, and infrastructure, while private hospital were stronger in ICT service quality, interoperability, and analytics. Both sectors share common weakness in external interoperability and big data analytics. Our strategic recommendation are at the policy level, develop targeted regulation for interoperability and data security and ensure balanced investment across ownership types. The second one is at the hospital level, align digital initiative with strategy, invest in workforce capacity, and strengthen the EMR integration and advanced analytics. The third recommendation is at the system level, promote public and private collaboration, knowledge sharing, and inclusive digital health initiative. Ladies and gentlemen, this study highlights the digital transformation in healthcare is not a competition between public and private hospital, but rather an opportunity for collaboration. By combining complementary strength, we can accelerate maturity and ensure that digital health information is in Indonesia is equitable, sustainable, and truly patient-centered. Thank you very much for your kind attention. I look forward to your question and discussion. Thank you.